Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I want to give you a tour of 4340 Yavapai Court. This is an incredible custom home located in the Pueblos at Alameda Ranch Phase 2. This is a gated community with a community pool. The home is 2746 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage. It does have a designated office space as well. Come on in, let's take a look around. Okay, there's lots of custom features in this home. You got these incredible vigas, wood ceilings, Kiva fireplace, nice big open floor plan, beautiful tile work. The kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. It does have a pot filler. The custom cabinets have pullouts in the cabinets. The home has a split floor plan with 2 generous sized guest bedrooms, a beautiful guest bathroom with granite countertops, double sinks, custom cabinets, and a beautiful walk-in shower. Great enclosed patio in this home. You have a Kiva fireplace. It's a gas starter, wood burning. You got great ceiling fans here. Incredible views of the Oregon mountains. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 4340 Yavapai Court. This is an incredible custom Southwestern home. It is in a gated community with a community pool. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage, 2746 square feet. Incredible custom features, including solid wood doors, vigas in the ceiling. There is a central vac. It is water softener, there's reverse osmosis. Again, this is a must-see home. And plus you have this incredible view of the Oregon mountains with this east-facing backyard. So give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandloscruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.